at the secret garden. 아름답습니다.
K-drama.
K-drama.
We can see.
Yeah.
King and his wife.
Having a
Yeah.
romantic morning or evening. Yeah.
여기 그늘이다.
Amazing. And this is how many centuries ago?
Yeah.
Wow. This is called the Secret Garden during the Korean Empire. And we learn it was secret because only the women can enter this garden and the king.